there, that there. A little bit of clean up. And we'll see if there's anything else there that I need to worry about. Definitely need to use the putty on that one. That one can probably use the other stuff. And I'll see if there's anywhere else. So, as you can see, my dear, I cleaned it up. And now you've got more holes in here. So I'm going to be using the putty one. But first and foremost, I'm going to use a little bit of sandpaper. Not that one. This one first. I'll rip a little bit off. Hopefully I don't dust this one off. And get it nice and clean for this shit to stick. Hang on. Wipe it again. And then what we're going to do is get a bit of this sandpaper, which is finer. Find the cloth again. As you can see, they're pretty substantial holes currently. There's a pin one there. I think that's another little one there. 1, 2, 3, 4. About 6 holes just in this little spot. Pretty. Alright, so it shouldn't really need a huge amount. Just need enough to put in these holes and these holes. Where's that putty stuff? Ugh. If I can get it out of the bloody tube. Come on. Come on. Out you come. Out you come. Oh my God, is there a secret squirrel way to get these out? Aha! Whack it. That's how you do it. You just whack it a bit. Okay, so just gonna break off a bit. Oops, dropped that on my head. Not always comfy. Make sure I got rid of all the plastic, which I'm pretty sure I did off this bit. This bit here has got a little bit of plastic on it, so I'll have to get rid of that. Off my fingers would be good, but that's okay. We'll get it off there. And then we're just gonna mold it till it's uniform. Pretty fucking uniform. And first I'm gonna split it in half. Only because I couldn't be fucked trying to do it any other way. And I'm gonna smoosh it onto that. And hopefully it will kind of I hope you're getting this. Oh. So you can see, making sure I push it up in the holes. I'll put this a little bit extra because I've already mixed it up, so I can't really not use it. So I'm just going to smoosh it over those. Make sure at the very least we can put fuel in the car so we can move it. Oh, I kill my hands while I'm doing this, but that's okay. And then I assume we're just going to leave it and let it set, I guess. Press firmly, done that. No, because the defense clean services, reference service, did that. Sweet. It says don't eat it. I will attempt to not to resist that desire. Trust me. Okay. Now let's just have another quick look to see if there's any other spots that may or may not need some more work. Let's just look. It's not an actual hole, that's just a chip from a stone by the looks of it. Well, I think that might do. Just give me one moment. I'm going to turn you off and we'll keep on. She's got fuel on her.
What?
She's obviously got fuel on it.
Yeah.
It's cold. No, it's not leaking. I can just feel that that part of the tank's colder than the rest of the tank. That makes sense.
Well, there you go. Hope you liked the video. If you could use a good laugh, then check out my review channel. It's got over 100 hilarious videos on there. Big shout out to my Patreons, Mitch, Jackson, Legend Boys. If you want to be a legend as well, follow the links to Patreon where members get to speak to me live and get videos sent to you early, as well as knowing you're helping out a creator. But if you're broke like me and still want to help, next time you go out, put on one of my playlists for your dog or your cat, or maybe you hate your neighbours, in which case you get turned up nice and loud. Oh well, you'll be good, stay safe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Play the music! Techno.
Cosmopolitan Radio.